Hi, I'm Kirby with Augustine E-Bikes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe below. And again, thanks so much for watching our videos.
Hello, this is David from Augustine E-Bikes, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about what it's like riding an e-bike as a big guy. I've always been a big guy, and I've always liked bikes, and I've always wanted to be able to bike long distances, but I've never been able to break through the learning curve of riding over a couple miles. I've bought several bikes over the years, and I'm able to ride a couple miles or maybe 5 miles, but it's really tough for me. Going up hills, wasn't something that I had access to, and that really limited where I could go, how long I could ride, and really limited my enjoyment of cycling as a whole. So most of the bikes I've had have just gathered dust after a couple, sessions of riding. What I like about e-bikes is you have an option. You have the option to hit the throttle if you're tired. You have the option to hit the throttle if you're going uphill. And you are still riding a bike. You're still getting outside. You're still pedaling, so you're still getting exercise. And it's a much more enjoyable experience for somebody who's large and hasn't had access to being able to ride 5 or 10 miles. Now I'm able to ride 5, 10, 15 miles in a session, and I feel really good. Last week I got to go to Santa Cruz and ride with Kirby, and we took some really big hills, and I was able to get up to about 15, 12 miles an hour, as well as 25 miles an hour on flatlands, which, at that speed you've got to be really aware of what you're doing, and it is very fast on a bike, but it's also really fun. And, that speed is something that I would not have any ability to get to without the assist of the electric bike motor. The other piece that I want to talk about a little bit is safety. When you have the ability to accelerate in an e-bike, it allows someone who's big to get through an intersection faster than they normally would, or at a four-way stop. It allows you to accelerate out of situations which may be dangerous if you're going really slow, and you just have no ability to get out of the way of a car as a slower rider. But thanks for listening to this video on e-bikes for larger people. I think it's a part of the marketplace that is oftentimes overlooked and not really thought about. And I think considering riding an e-bike, even if you've bought bikes before and not had good luck because of a steep learning curve for yourself, e-bikes really help make that learning curve a lot easier. And there's research showing this, that people that get an e-bike tend to ride the e-bike more often and longer distances than they would previously with a regular bike.